I'm right over here by the stop right here. As y'all know, years ago it used to be open, but they turned it into something else. I'm just right here, just chilling. That's all. That's all I'm doing. Yeah. So I'm waiting on to cross the road. I guess I'll get cross it from right here. It must be working on somebody's services right here, AT&T. Yeah, no, that must be what it is. Yeah, that's what I call the video. AT&T must be working on somebody's services. Yeah, AT&T been around a long time. I think when we first got service, that was the first one we had gotten to the AT&T. AT&T been around a minute though, and it might have been another name before it became. No, I can't say that. I don't know. I don't know how long. I have to look it up and see how long they've been out. Yeah. So right now, as now, I'm just chilling. But the video title, somebody's getting the AT&T is working on somebody's services, you know. Yeah, man, I walked off. These houses here, man, they always have been there, man, for decades. When we was 11, 12, and 13. Matter of fact, all these houses here. That church, that so-called, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's been there a while too. That Catholic church, it's been building. It's been there a while. Yeah, it's 2 minutes and something already. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out, and I'll see y'all later.